Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of January, 2025, our system has classified SoFi as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 10.61% since we first recommended purchasing SoFi 5 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.12% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $18.86 will initially signal a more robust rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 35.49% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 10.7% to 41.70%. Concerning the 12-month trend, it suggests an anticipated change of about 88.96% over the next year, with potential returns between 6.27% and 85.28%. This translates to a price range from $19.16 to $33.41 after a year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, SoFi stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The SoFi stock price gained 2.5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025. This marked an increase from $17.59 to $18.03. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.38%, with a low of $17.28 and a high of $18.21. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.93% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that volume fell on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 43 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $778,950,000. A decrease in volume alongside rising prices may indicate potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $18.21, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 0.99%, or 18 cents, below the 52-week high, and 36.20%, or $10.23, below the all-time high of $28.26, which was recorded on the 1st of February, 2021. SoFi Technologies has been gaining attention lately as a strong contender in the fintech space. Today, it is noted as one of the 2 inexpensive growth stocks to consider under $20, suggesting that investors see potential for long-term upside. Anticipation surrounding its upcoming fourth-quarter earnings report, scheduled for January 27th, is building, with analysts predicting earnings growth. Given SoFi's unique position in the market, leveraging digital banking innovations and diverse financial product offerings, there's optimism that it could outperform traditional growth metrics. Moreover, significant momentum is seen following the recent inauguration of President Trump, which has fueled a broader market rally, positively impacting stocks like SoFi that are closely tied to market sentiment. The stock has recently hit a new 52-week high, showcasing growing investor confidence. With earnings expectations likely set to beat market consensus, this could provide a short-term boost to its stock price. In the long term, SoFi's strategy of simplifying personal finance should facilitate user retention and growth, making it an attractive option for those looking at sustained performance. Valued more like a tech company than a traditional financial firm, analysts believe SoFi's growth trajectory remains robust, even after a 170% surge in the past year. The company's focus on member growth and marginal improvement ensures it could maintain upward momentum, anchoring its appeal as a compelling investment in both short and long-term horizons. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a sell rating. For return on investment, analysts similarly rate the stock as a sell. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $16.62 and $15.75. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 28.14%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite the increase in prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 96 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 101 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.29 and $14.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $15.29. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.13 and $14.11. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 93 cents between its high and low, or 5.38%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.13%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 4 cents per share. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable effect on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $15.29. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. executed an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same day, Freiberg Stephen J. also executed an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of December 2024, Keogh Kelly conducted an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December 2024, Rishal Jeremy performed an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December 2024, White Derek J. executed an insider purchase of 148,403 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we observe that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.865. In total, insiders purchased 10,332,632 shares and sold 35,074,968 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.46, reflecting a decrease of 3.18%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we anticipate that SoFi will open lower by 19 cents and begin trading at $17.84. It is essential to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.